If Mr. Cohen's allegations are correct, it means the president, while in office, literally while in the Oval Office, was engaged in criminal activity.
Burbank's own Adam Schiff, Congressman, Chairman of the House Intelligence Committee, today before the hearings began, saying if the allegations are correct, the president's guilty of criminal activity while in office. Tom Fitton is the president of Judicial Watch. Tom Fitton, is a non-disclosure agreement an illegal act? I'm missing something here.
Yeah, well, in anti-Trump world, it is. The theory of the case, it seems to me, that the left is trying to make today is that providing money for a non-disclosure agreement should have been paid for by the campaign.
Yeah, right.
And of course, if that had been done, that would have been a violation of campaign finance law as well. So this is not about any sensible application of the rule of law. This is about abusing Donald Trump, and this hearing is one giant abuse of the civil rights and rights of President Trump. It's really deplorable.
It is amazing to me that this is the very first witness of the very first hearing of the new Democrat majority at the Oversight Committee, because, my gosh, you'd think that they would have put up or shut up on this. They finally got their chance, and all they got is Michael Cohen.
Yeah, but, when you think about it, though, this process began in 2016, maybe even earlier, with the Clinton DNC collusion with the DOJ, FBI of Obama to target and spy on and just try to destroy Donald Trump. And who do you have sitting behind Michael Cohen, happily smiling, is Lanny Davis, one of Mrs. Clinton's closest associates, who's providing him free legal advice. So this is the Clinton. Hillary Clinton is essentially running this hearing in many respects, and it's a continuation of the abusive targeting of President Trump that began in 2016, and it's just a variation on the theme in that regard.
Tom Fitton, I've been watching it on the air at the same time, trying to catch up on it while it's been going on. And maybe you know better. I've seen him say, I've never been to Prague, and I've seen him say in his opening statement that he has no direct evidence that the president was involved in any kind of collusion. Has there been any other revelation having to do with Russian collusion, which I thought was the big deal here?
Well, of course, it's further confirmation that the Russia collusion story is a fraud. They've known that for years, both the Mueller operation, the Democrats on the Hill, and any other honest observer of the public record here in town, like you, Larry. But they're having a hearing to try to destroy Donald Trump through other methods, implying that he did something wrong in this non-disclosure agreement payment without actually proving he did anything wrong, or suggesting he violated the law in any credible way, and just trying to tar him by abusing his right to confidential attorney-client communications. This is a massive violation of that right every American citizen has. If you talk to your lawyer, you have the lawyer has a duty of confidence to you, and to allow that duty to be destroyed through an abusive congressional hearing, they might as well be raiding his home and taking his confidential records.
That's a very important point, and I appreciate you making it. Tom Fitton, we only have a minute left. Can we circle back to Adam Schiff, our guy here from Burbank, at the House Intel Committee? He goes everywhere saying, we got plenty of evidence of collusion. At what point does this guy have to put up or shut up? Because I don't see any evidence.
Of course, there is no evidence of collusion. That's why he's going to have a closed-door hearing with Mr. Cohen tomorrow, because they don't want more of the same, or reiteration of Mr. Cohen's statement saying, well, I don't know of any collusion, but I have my suspicions. That and a quarter won't get you anything in this town.
And even that, in any town, I think. Tom Fitton, president of Judicial Watch. They do such important work at Judicial Watch. Please check them out and keep them going, judicialwatch.org. And, Tom, I'm sure I'll be speaking with you later today. So good touching base with you, Tom. Thank you.